Hello everyone, my name is Gifty. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Day's Delight. And today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make my chicken scotch eggs, which was requested by one of my subscribers. If you want me to do any recipes, don't forget to comment down below. I'm going to show you my ingredients for my chicken scotch eggs. I have here my ground chicken sausage mix. You can use raw chicken breast and blend it in the blender and mix it as well. You can use your ground beef, ground pork, any meat of your choice. And I have here 50 grams of breadcrumbs, which I'm going to mix it with my ground chicken later. And I have here my plain flour. You can use any flour of your choice. You can also choose to season your flour or leave it plain as well. And I have here my raw eggs, which I'm going to use it as my egg wash for my scotch eggs later. And I also have here my boiled eggs. You can use any amount of eggs you want. And you also make sure it's dry before you use it. And I also have here my breadcrumbs, which I'm going to coat it with my scotch egg later. You can mix any cheese of your choice. You can season it if you want to. You can leave it plain as well. And I have here my seasonings that I'm going to mix it with my ground chicken. I have here 1 cube, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, nutmeg, which I'm going to grate it. And I have here a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a pinch of chili. You can add any spice of your choice. If you want it spicy, you can add more chili as well. So now I'm going to season my ground chicken sausage mix. I have my seasoning here. I'm going to put everything in. I'm going to put my cube and salt and black pepper and my turmeric. I already washed my hands, so you can even add fresh herbs if you want, rosemary, parsley, coriander. You can also add more chili if you want. I'm going to grate my nutmeg in it, which is going to give it a more flavorful aroma as well. I'm going to add my breadcrumbs as well to make it a bit firm. I'm going to mix everything together. Mixing everything together. You can add veggies if you want. You can add chopped onion, chopped peppers, spring onions, anything you want to add. You can add it at this time and mix everything together. So now I've mixed my sausage meat and I've divided it into 5 portions. I have 5 boiled eggs. You can do as many as you want. And if your mix is soft, you can add more breadcrumbs if you want to make it a bit firm. So I'm going to coat it with the egg and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And also if you can put it in the freezer for 20 minutes as well. So you have to make sure you add flour to your hand. My hands are already washed. You have to make sure your hands are with the flour before you pick the meat up. Then you just tap it in your palm, open it. You can add more flour if you want so that it doesn't stick in your hand. You can use cling film to put it in as well. It's easier and more cleaner, but as a chef I want to feel the food and use my hands, so to make it more tidy. And make sure your egg is also coated in the flour so able to stick. You can put it in the middle and just make sure you patch it around it. And squeeze it and add more flour. More flour. Make it nice and round. If you use your hand, you can make it in a shape, but make it a bit round and nice. You see, this is what we are going for. You can add more flour. So I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to make it firm. So I'm going to put it here. That's how I'm going to do all of them. So My scotch egg has been in the fridge for 30 minutes and is out. And now I'm going to coat it with my flour and egg wash. So first you put it in the flour so that the egg can stay on it. And then I'm going to put in my egg wash. Drain it. Then I'm going to put it in my breadcrumbs now. If you want it more crispy, you can put it back again into your egg wash and back into your breadcrumbs. And that's what we're going to do. You want it more crisp outside, so put it back in my egg wash and back into my breadcrumbs. So now this is how it looks, and we're about to fry it. You can choose to bake it if you want to. You're gonna deep fry our scotch egg now. I'm using rapeseed oil and a bit of coconut. You can use any oil if you want. So now we want it to be golden brown, a bit crispy, and make sure you fry on a medium heat because you don't want it burned and not cooked inside. So this is my finished product of my scotch egg made with chicken. I'm gonna taste some. This is how it needs to look like, crispy outside, and when you open it, the eggs need to be cooked and tight inside. Let's taste. Idea the papa, meaning it's very nice. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and please press the notification button. Bye bye.